What's up YouTube? This is Matthew here once again with another video for you all, and in today's video we'll be talking about the 7 biggest advantages to starting your print-on-demand business with Shopify. Now before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Now, what are the 7 biggest advantages to print-on-demand that you see? And a lot of these are advantages that you can use over doing drop shipping or other online businesses. Now, the number one advantage is that it's easy to set up. Now, these are not in specific orders. There's just 7 lists, but 7 big lists. Now, number one is easy to set up. It's so easy to set up a Shopify store and connect it with another print-on-demand company such as Custom Can, Printful, Printify, or using Teespring, but I prefer the route going with Shopify and adding an app on it such as Custom Cat or Printful. Now those are the print-on-demand companies. Now the number 2 advantage is no starting cost. With print-on-demand, there's little to no cost with starting it. You know, you can open a 14-day free day trial with Shopify. There's a link down below if you want to start that. And then with that, your Custom Cat or Printful app that you're using to make the shirts with, it's only a monthly fee, and so you only get charged when you sell a t-shirt. So it's all based on you. So there's no startup cost with print on demand. So that's huge for a lot of people going into the online world wanting to make money online. Now the number 3 advantage is that there's no storage. So with print on demand, you do not buy any t-shirts in bulk, you don't have your own warehouse, so there's no inventory. The print on demand company takes care of that. So they own all the shirts, so you don't have to rent out a place. So that's another advantage to print on demand not being low cost, because you don't have to have a storage place for your t-shirts. Now the number 4 advantage is that it's easy to fulfill orders for print on demand. So with Shopify, you have your orders and you have the different order numbers, and when someone places an order, you automatically get charged from the print on demand company when someone orders. And so you don't have to go into Shopify and fulfill their order or like write things down or say order was fulfilled. That's all done automatically on your Shopify platform. So that's another big advantage, and it saves time and money and resources with that. Now the number 5 advantage is there's no shipping on your part. And on top of that, shipping is much faster. So most print-on-demand companies are domestic here in the United States. And so with that, you have faster shipping time as compared to drop shipping, where it may take 3 weeks for you to get a shirt, but with print-on-demand, it usually takes 5 to 7 days. So you don't ship it out yourself, and plus the shipping is faster. Now the number 6 advantage is that you can create your own design. Now a lot of people may not think this is an advantage, but it's a huge advantage, because if you have a niche, right, you can just cater to that niche and just know what they're talking about, and you can test so many different things, as opposed to creating products. You have to actually create a product and whatnot. But with print on demand, you just run through these designs and you can create your own design. And that moves us to our 7th biggest advantage, is that you can test multiple designs with your print on demand business with absolutely no cost. So if you have a t-shirt business that's selling horseback riding t-shirts, you have a t-shirt with a horse, right? And it's selling well, it's absolutely doing extremely well, right? And so you got into Reddit threads, you see what people are talking about, and then you see that there's a saying or there's a quote that a lot of horseback riding people live by, or they really admire, and you put that on the shirt. You know, if you do that, there's no extra cost to that. You're testing it out, and you're just seeing if it works. Send out an email to your email list of people who bought or people who came to your store. And just like that, you created a new t-shirt, a new product on your website with absolutely no cost. So those are the 7 biggest advantages to starting your print-on-demand business. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. All right, see you all later.